You think the loudest person in the room has the most power. Wrong, dead wrong. The most dangerous person in any room is the one who says nothing, and today I am going to show you exactly why silence is the most underrated weapon you will ever carry and how to use it. Silence makes people uncomfortable, and that is your advantage. Here is something nobody tells you. When you stop talking and just wait, something shifts in the room. People get nervous. They start wondering what you are thinking. They start filling the silence with their own words, their own mistakes, their own secrets. Sun Tzu, one of the greatest military strategists who ever lived, used silence as a weapon. He would go completely quiet before his opponents, and they would spiral. Their minds would race. What is he planning? What does he know that I do not? While they were panicking, he was thinking clearly. That is your power. The moment you stop reacting and start observing, you become the most dangerous person in the conversation. Most people are terrified of silence. They rush to fill it. You will not, and that alone puts you 10 steps ahead. Silence builds laser focus. Buddha had a rule: before speaking 3 gates, every single word had to pass through them. First, is it true? Second, is it necessary right now? Third, will it actually change anything? Most people never ask these questions. They just talk. They dump every random thought from their brains straight into the conversation and wonder why nobody takes them seriously. Here is the truth about your brain: you cannot think deeply and talk at the same time. It is physically impossible. When you are talking, your brain is performing, not processing. When you are silent, your brain is actually working. The people who speak less are not quiet because they have nothing to say. They are quiet because they are thinking 3 moves ahead while everyone else is just reacting. Silence gives your mind the space to organize, to strategize, to choose the right words at the right moment. When you finally speak, people listen because every word you say carries weight. Silence pulls attention like a magnet. Think about the best teachers you have ever had, the best leaders, the most powerful speakers. None of them talk the whole time. There is a moment right before they say something important where they go completely silent. The room gets still, and suddenly every single person is locked in waiting. That pause is not an accident, it is a tool. Compare that to someone who talks non-stop. After about 2 minutes, your brain starts to drift. You stop hearing them. Their voice becomes background noise. But the moment someone goes quiet, your brain sends an alert: something changed, pay attention. You can use this right now in conversations, in meetings, on camera, anywhere. Stop filling every second with words. Let silence do the heavy lifting. The moment you go quiet, people lean in. They want to know what comes next. That is control, real control. Silence builds trust faster than words ever will. Most people think the way to connect with someone is to talk about themselves, share your story, show your personality, make them laugh. And sure, that might make someone like you, but trust is built differently. Trust is built when someone feels heard, not when they feel entertained. Think about the last time someone actually listened to you fully, without interrupting, without checking their phone, without waiting for their turn to talk. How did that feel? Felt rare, because it is rare. When you give someone your full silence, your full attention, they feel valued in a way that words cannot create, and that feeling, that is the foundation of real trust. Powerful people have always understood this. They ask questions, they listen, they observe, and by the time they speak, they know more about the person across from them than that person has shared with anyone in months. That is not just social skill, that is strategic intelligence. Silence is your strongest defense. Here is the thing most people never figure out: when you talk too much, you hand people a map to your weaknesses. Every word reveals something: your insecurities, your fears, what you want, what you are afraid of losing, and the wrong person will use every single piece of that against you. But when you stay silent, you become unreadable, and unreadable people cannot be manipulated. There is a strategy called the gray rock method. You become as interesting and reactive as a gray rock. No emotional spikes, no big reactions, just calm, quiet observation. Toxic people, manipulators, people who want to see you break, they feed off your reaction. The moment you stop giving it to them, they lose their power over you completely. And in high-stakes situations, negotiations, confrontations, salary conversations, silence is your sharpest weapon. Someone offers you a number you do not like, do not respond immediately. Just hold the silence, let it sit there. Most people cannot stand that silence. They will start talking, they will start justifying, and in that rush to fill the quiet, they will give you exactly the leverage you needed. Most people spend their whole life trying to be heard, talking louder, posting more, filling every second with noise. But the truly powerful, the ones who actually move the room, they learned one thing that most people never will: your silence says more than your words ever could. Control what you say, control when you say it, and the world will start to listen.